Was and were are past tense forms of the verb be. We use was and were instead of am, is, are. Was is used for I, he, she, it. For example, she was happy. Were is used after you, we, they. For example, they were happy. For affirmative sentences, add was or were after a subject. Yesterday, I was at school. For negative sentences, just add wasn't or weren't after a subject. I wasn't at home. To make a yes/no question, swap the word order. Put was or were at the beginning of the sentence. Was I at school yesterday? Yes, you were. Add a WH word before was, were to ask for specific information. Where was I yesterday? You were at school. More examples. You were scared of their dog. You weren't scared of their cat. Were you scared of their dog? Yes, we were. Why were you scared of their dog? Because it was barking. Jenny was sad on Monday. She wasn't happy. Was she sad? Yes, she was. Who was sad on Monday? Jenny was sad. It was rainy last week. It wasn't sunny. Was it sunny last week? No, it wasn't. What was the weather like last week? It was rainy. We were at the cinema last night. We weren't at the park. Were we at the cinema? Yes, you were. Where were we last night? You were at the cinema. The cookies were delicious. They weren't bad. Were the cookies bad? No, they weren't. How were the cookies? They were delicious. Listen to this conversation to hear how was and where are used. Hi, Sam. How was your weekend? It was so great. Where were you? We were in Bend. Was it a long trip? No, it wasn't far from here. Who were you with? I was with my family. Were your cousins there too? No, because they were sick. Was the hotel nice? Yes, it was. The rooms were big, but the pool wasn't open. What was the weather like there? It was cloudy and a little cold. Were the shops open? No, they were closed. We weren't shopping, we were just walking. It sounds like a good weekend. It was. I'm tired now, but I was very happy.